In the past few years, Finland and Latvia reached a cooperation agreement to develop a new generation of armored personnel carriers to replace old equipment. This is the Patria 6x6 armored personnel carrier, with research and development led by Finland. The two countries not only hope that the new vehicle can serve as a transport vehicle, but also that it can function as other types of mobile vehicles with weapon systems installed. The Patria 6x6, hereinafter referred to as the Patria armored vehicle, looks very simple in appearance. Designers have used many commercial components to reduce manufacturing and operating costs, while ensuring structural strength. The personnel carrier is powered by a turbocharged 5-cylinder diesel engine, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle's maximum highway speed can reach 100 km per hour. The wheels use independent suspension with coil springs, and the hydraulic pneumatic shock absorbers and central tire inflation system are optional accessories. The personnel carrier can wade through water up to 1.5 meters deep, and with modifications, it can also have amphibious driving capabilities, with a maximum water speed of 8 km per hour. The front of the vehicle is a spacious driver's cabin, where the driver and vehicle commander sit side by side. Unlike most armored personnel carriers, the designers have installed large bulletproof glass on the front and both sides of the vehicle, ensuring a broad field of vision for the two occupants. Behind the driver's cabin, a weapon can be installed through a roof hatch, which would require an additional gunner. The rear personnel compartment can accommodate up to 10 soldiers, each with independent blast-proof seats, and the soldiers mainly enter and exit through the rear door. The vehicle's basic armor is generally forward-sloping, but the side armor of the personnel compartment has mostly vertical structure. The vehicle can withstand the destruction of a 10 kg landmine, with basic armor meeting NATO Standard Level 2, able to resist 7.62 by 39 mm ammunition and shrapnel damage from 155 mm high-explosive shells at 80 meters. Additional armor can be installed to increase the protection level to Level 4, capable of withstanding hits from 14.5 by 114 mm armor-piercing rounds at 200 meters and resisting explosions of 155 mm high-explosive shells at 30 meters. The Patria armored vehicle has a payload of 8.5 tons, with a combat weight of about 24 tons. As a standard personnel carrier, it has good overall performance, especially with lower costs compared to similar equipment, making it more user-friendly for new operators. The vehicle's sturdy structure allows for the installation of heavier turrets. It can be equipped with a 120 mm mortar system, the NEMO mortar, which is a lightweight and simplified version of the Amos twin-barrel mortar system. With features such as single-barrel structure and automatic loading, aided by GPS systems, it can achieve rapid and accurate firing and rapid withdrawal, similar to a light self-propelled howitzer, although with slightly shorter range. The spacious interior of the Patria armored vehicle can easily accommodate the related equipment and spare ammunition. Although the Patria 6x6 armored personnel carrier was initiated by Finland and Latvia, both countries have agreed to sell it to other countries. Sweden has shown strong interest, and the vehicle is already in service. Latvia is also seeking to produce it domestically, and it may frequently appear at defense exhibitions with the potential for expanding its equipment scale. The Patria 6x6 armored personnel carrier has a combat weight of 24 tons, a length of 7.5 meters, a width of 2.9 meters, a height of 2.5 meters, a maximum highway speed of 100 km per hour, and a maximum range of 700 kilometers.